Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. This is my series called The 20 Steps to Starting Nonprofits. I'm going to explain each step one at a time. If you follow the steps in the order in which I present them, steps 1 through 20, you should be able to start a 501c3 nonprofit organization to serve your community. This is step 1. Define the problem. Step 1, define one problem. Clearly define one community problem that you plan to solve through the nonprofit. I emphasize one problem because a lot of times when people start considering starting a nonprofit to serve their communities, they want to solve all of the problems in the community, and that is not feasible. So my advice is to identify one problem that you feel compelled to solve and then define that problem. For example, there is a surge in violence perpetuated by the youth in our community. That's an example of a community problem, one community problem. And that's how you want to write your problem. You notice I didn't go into any detail. I just documented a problem that I've observed or that someone has observed in their community, which is again a surge in violence perpetuated by the youth in our community. If you want to learn more about how to write a problem statement, which is the first step in the 20 steps to starting nonprofits, defining the problem, I invite you to enroll in the Starting Nonprofits Basic Fundamentals course. It is a course that I offer that includes audio guided content, just like this content now. You hear me teaching, you see what I'm teaching, video simulations, hands-on practice activities, knowledge checks, and a graded project. That course provides in-depth knowledge and materials and supplies and opportunities for you to learn the 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization. I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time and have a great day.